Financing, the official mortgage company of 95.7 Party. We love them. They save you the most amount of money they can, and they move quickly.
Oh my
to get your loan
goodness.
done. Pre-qualification,
It's a
American
seagull
Financing
eating on a
takes 10 minutes.
steak.
American Financing can close
Oh my
you in as fast as
gosh.
10 days. They have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. They've been in business and
Uh-oh.
been doing this since back in '99. They're family owned and operated, and they will utilize every loan there is in the industry.
He's celebrating the holiday. Hey, Seagull, eat your steak.
7000. They're online at AmericanFinancing.net.
At H. Carter Jewelers, you get twice the engagement ring for half the price. Denver's only jewelry outlet store has hundreds